After a long, another really hot day, the roof is finally decked. Hallelujah. There's one little piece that we need to put some tape on and need to finish up some stuff on the dormers, but the majority of it's done, thank goodness, and we can start moving on to other projects. Tim said the roofer is going to be out here, I think, in a couple days to double check their bid on putting on the actual roofing materials. So it'll be very nice to have that done, and really cool how it feels in here, because since there's actually a roof on it, it kind of gives you a ceiling so you get a better idea of the space of everything. We did have a little bit of showers today, really just enough to get the humidity up, and we have, I'm still watching the weather to see what's going to happen the next couple of days. Still have chances of rain. We desperately need rain again. Everything's really, really dry, so hoping that'll happen.